Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can summarize your YouTube videos on ChatGPT. You can use A4, for example, if you have it. Now, you will need to go and explore GPTs right there. And now you want to go ahead and search for YouTube. And you can also write down summarize, but I'm just going to search for YouTube. And as you can see, there's a lot of options. So for example, here is a free YouTube summarizer. Here we want to click on it. It extracts and summarizes YouTube video transcripts in any chosen language, removing language barriers. So now let's start a chat. And can you summarize this YouTube video? And you want to go ahead and enter URL. Now I just entered the video, click send the message. Okay, let's allow it. And let's now wait a little bit. And here it is. Now it's transcribed. You just need to enter a normal URL because the shorter one from my channel board was not enough. So you just need to enter the full URL of the video you want to go ahead and summarize. So here it is. It's a summary for your YouTube video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.